Billy, when did you decide?
I think we decided about 2 years ago that we were going to do a little facelift, after the 10-year celebration and things like that. And I think it just, minor league baseball, all the logos out there are pretty cool. And I think when you're sitting there looking at all those logos, ours was a nice logo that we started up with. And I think when we go back 10 years ago or so, we started up and it went like that. It was real quick when we got this thing done. So I think to be fresh, to be current, to have a little bit of edge with this logo, I think describes. I think it's going to be well received by the fan base.
Yeah, I think basically we just wanted to freshen it up, and I think if you look at the trends now, things are changing really quickly. Multiple uniforms, new styles. You do want to appeal to the younger fan, and many times our logo or our team is chosen in different youth leagues around the country. And we take that as a sign that it's a pretty cool name and it's a pretty cool logo. So I think it was just time to freshen it up. Billy actually came up with the design and the inspiration for it, so I'll let him tell you about it.
I think inspiration, I looked at the Oriole 1967 bird, and if you want to look that one up and see it, he was mean looking. He had the bat in his hand, he had a little lean forward, and then thinking about the Iron Man movies. Of course we had the Iron Man here, but the Iron Man movies are very successful in what they do, and there was an edge, and there's the flames that are coming out of the wing, kind of
right here.
Yeah, well, you can't really see those that good.
I can.
No, and the flames in Iron Man, how they come out of his hand, and then the Harrier jet kind of came into play. But what we came up with was a very aggressive, almost. I think he's intimidating when he's coming down. He's set with his talons out instead of the regular landing gears. But it all kind of started with me was looking at that 67 bird, and there was a little bit of aggression and anger that bird had that I tried to put into this logo. It's a ongoing process that happens. Even when it came down to the final decision, like A, B, C, and D were all almost exactly alike. There was a couple tweaks here, there was a couple tweaks there to get down to this final one.
Yeah, it's a process that I don't really care for, to be honest with you. When you start to look at them, you said the last four looked alike?
Yeah.
I would say like every one of them kind of looks alike as you go through it. But the creative process is necessary. It's important. The logo is important. Billy has that creative side and an interest to look at that and pull all those together. I myself do not. I'd rather focus on field designs or cage designs and those sorts of things. But certainly Billy did a nice job.